So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. She has hair around mid-back length or so. It's like the stylist has a little bit of fun with this one and reveals a beautiful shoulder length bob. I love the color on this, the tousled waves. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have another long to short hair change into a beautiful pixie style. Very nice. This has a very nice, volumized feather effect to it. So chic and stylish. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Ooh, wow, this is gorgeous. So she went bold red for the color, and then she kept her natural curly strands. Beautiful bob haircut. Wow, this looks absolutely stunning. So next up we have more of a layered haircut transformation. Stylist mixes in some bangs to frame out the face. Wow, I love the way that the cut looks with the color. It's like a really pretty ginger tone. Hair has a nice volumized appearance. Very nice. So here we have another bob makeover complete with bangs. She does have the nice bottleneck bangs going there in the front. Once again, a very volumized shape overall with this look. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.